the cat kit box? Alright, Dory, do you want to open up the cat kit box? From October, and we're getting it in December? Alright, Dory, we've got the long-awaited costume. The little wings. Do you like the little wings? Does it look good? Think you're gonna fit in there? Are you gonna fit? Yeah, you probably don't care about that part. Alright, Dory, guess what we got now? The lint roller. The lint roller. Good girl. So we got Pusheen lint roller. Oh boy, what else did we get? What's this one? Placemat. Dory, do you want the placemat? I mean, it's definitely Pusheen themed. Kind of cool. Alright, what else did we get, Dory? Alright, so I saw a spoiler for this. It's supposed to be treat thing. Dory, you want a treat? Do you want a treat, baby? Dory doesn't want to be on camera. Oh well. We'll just go without her. Ooh. Oh, so this would be kind of cute. And if you flipped it around, it could just be a fall piece. Very cool. Dory, you want a treat? Lickable cat treat. Salmon puree. 4-pack. Dory, you want some? Yeah, Dory's still not coming. And then we have a crinkle toy. Dory, you want a crinkle toy? You want a toy? I feel like Dory's way too smart for this. Yeah, there's some catnip in there. And then teaser one with plush toy, which this type of teaser I don't think Dory's gonna give a crap about. But what do you think, Dor? You gonna care about this one? She loved the ice cream ball ones from the last box. But yeah, that's what we got. We have the little harness. Prevent messy nightmares of the food mat. Yeah, food mat, that's what I thought it was. And then we have some trick-or-treat little thing, like that's cute. And then lint roller, you can always use a lint roller when you have them cats. And then, there you are, Dor. You smelling it? You smelling it? Oh! And then we have the wand, the crinkle toy. Which Dory is investigating. And then this little collectible charm, which I was looking for because I was like, no, I don't see it. Yeah, so that's about it. So it's like $32 for the box. So I don't know. It's kind of fun. It just really sucks that it was like a month and a half late. But other than that, I don't know. Dory's getting on with it, aren't you, Dor? You getting on with it? Is it nice? Is it good? But you want some dinner instead. Yeah, that's why she's coming here. She probably wants some dinner. Yeah, Dor? Alright, this is all we have for the late box. Hopefully the Christmas one is on its way. And after that, I'm pretty sure I canceled just because she probably doesn't need any more. I thought it was just going to be fun to try out. But all this stuff kind of adds up. So, Yeah, Dory, we done? Yeah. Alright, see y'all next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.